What's up guys, thanks for checking back into Nebula Tech News. So this video is going to center around the Galaxy Fit, and it's actually just going to be a really quick tutorial video to show you how to respond to messages right from your band and how to edit your quick replies as well. So this is in response to a few people who had asked me to post this video because I guess they weren't sure how to do it, so we're going to jump right in. So first things first, I have my Galaxy Fit paired up with my Pixel 3a XL. It works pretty well with iPhone as well, but make a note that you actually can't edit your messages, your quick replies, or respond to messages from the Galaxy Fit if you're paired to an iPhone device. Any Android device, or obviously Samsung, anything of that nature will work just fine. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So on the band, I'm going to take it off just to make it a bit easier. First thing is, obviously, you have to have a notification. So if you'll see, I've got this little orange dot up here. That means that somebody sent me a message. So I can go back to the message. And I got a message from my friend Cal. So I have a message from my friend Cal. This is my notification. It just says, "How are you? Give me a call." So now I can swipe down and see all of my quick replies that are already built in. So if I wanted to, I could just select one. So I'll say, "No thanks," and send that over. So now I've replied to the message saying no thanks from one of my built-in responses. But if you don't like the pre-built-in ones or the quick replies that are already set up right out of the box, here's how you would change those. So now you go back to your device, and then you've got to open up your Galaxy Wear app. So on this, you'll see that it says quick responses here, so you click on that. These are the pre-built-in responses that you've got. So it's "I'll call you back," "okay," "no thanks," "no," whatever. If you want to edit those responses, you can click up at the top corner. You can move them around by pressing and holding them, so you can move them around and where you want them to show up. Or you can tap on one and delete it down at the bottom. So now it's gone. But to add one, down at this corner over here, you just click the plus sign. Then you've got your keyboard that comes up, and you can say, let's see, what do we want to say? Let's say, so now we can type in our own message, and let's see, we can say, "I'm busy, comma, call you later." And then if we just hit this down at the bottom and then we save it, now it shows up in our quick replies. So now the next time somebody sends you a message, when you get the notification on your band, it'll be one of the options that you can use to reply. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.